Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can hide your number on outgoing calls. Maybe you want to surprise a person, maybe you want to fool someone, I don't know, whatever it is. I'm going to show you how you can hide your number. So for that you need to click on your little phone icon here and then go to these three little dots and click on settings. Then you need to go to calling accounts and then you see your provider. Now you need to click on the provider and click on additional settings. Now you need to go to caller ID and here you have the option of network default, hide number or show number. We're going to click on hide number now. So now you can see number hidden in outgoing calls. And when you click on that, you can just go back and make your calls and then your number won't be shown on the other device that you're calling. If you ever want to undo that again, you just need to go back or take these steps to get here again, then click on caller ID again and then show number or network default. That's up to you, and then you can just go back and make calls again, and then whatever you've chosen, your number will be shown or will not be shown on the device that you're calling. So that's how you can hide your number on outgoing calls on your Motorola Razr. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!